virus from your PC without any software. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you also want to remove viruses or scan your PC without any antivirus software, then here's what you need to do. As you all know that Windows is supported with or comes with the pre-installed antivirus software, that is Windows Defender. So you can simply open Windows Security to get to the Windows Defender. Basically, it's Windows Security now, and simply click on this virus and threat protection from over here, and you can see there is a quick scan also, and you can also click on this scan options to actually view the scan options just like this, so you can check all the files and running programs on your hard disk. And to do a full scan, you can simply select this option just like this. You can also choose a custom scan to scan a specific file if the file contains virus or not. If it contains virus, you can also deal with it by simply heading over to your protection history. Simply allow, you may choose to allow or quarantine such viruses if found, just like that. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.